As soon as we deleted the total attribute from the materials tabular section, it disappeared from this list. Let's add a new total attribute that exists only inside the form and is never stored in the info base. Right click on the materials tabular section, add attribute column, let's name it total, and change its type to number. Now we can just drop it to the form. When there was persistent document attribute that was stored in the info base, its values were read automatically when the document was opening. It's not the case anymore because we doesn't store these total values. So we need to calculate them every time we open a document. To do so, let's subscribe for the forms on Create a Server event. Opening Forms Properties palette on Create a Server. And the code is pretty straightforward. As you can see here, we just cycling through the tabular part and calculating the total attribute in the same way as if it's a persistent attribute sitting in the info base. Let's check it out in the 1C Enterprise mode. So we can see that the totals were recalculated on the document's opening, but if we change the quantity or the price, the total won't follow it. And we also forgot to make the total column read-only, so a user can think he can directly input this value, but he actually can't. Okay, let's fix it. First of all, we need to make this form element read-only, and then do the same thing we did before. Subscribe for the onChange event for these two form items. OnChange, create on client. Here we can use the same code we used last time and it will work. But let's try another trick for the change. This event handler has a parameter. Let's take a look at it in runtime. I change the quantity value, and now we can see what's inside of this item. Evaluate expression. So this is a form field and its name is materials quantity. So basically this is a table column, but we also can address the table as a whole using this parent attribute. Let's take a look inside. And here we see current data, and if we open it, we will see that it contains all attributes we need. So this is how we can get the total we needed. Let's copy it into the clipboard and put it right here. Okay, looks fine. One more thing, I don't want this string to be that long, so let's make it shorter, like this. So we created a new variable and hide this long name inside. Now we need to subscribe the same procedure for the price on change event, like this. Okay, let's see if it works. Changing the quantity, the total is recalculated. Changing the price, the total is recalculated again.